So we just made it here. Tonight is the Friday night shootout we're trying to do. If not, we'll just be doing test and tune, but we're here. And we'll see you guys when we get unloaded. We're all set up camping. Drive was a pain just because it's all new with the truck and it took us on back roads, so that was an issue, but I did get the new wheels installed, so we just gotta, there they are. And just gotta go up and get in tech real quick, so I'll see you guys in a minute. We just got called up to the lanes, so we're moving stuff around. I'm about to head up there now. We're all teched in, and we'll see if we can even qualify. All right, guys, so we're heading up. Right now it's just qualifying, so just need a nice clean pass. That's all we need. That's a motor, probably. Did it explode? It exploded. That's rough. All right. Well, push. At least it happened now, I guess. Never had something like that happen before.
Stayed one spot here, which is good. We got a high over.
So the whole crankshaft is out.
Can't believe.
Oh shit!
I can't believe you blew up.
Yeah, me too.
Hey, Dad.
Literally, the crankshaft broke apart.
Dad.
So this is my fault because this thing is a cast crank and I've over revved it a ton. The crank literally exploded. We're still gonna obviously hang out here. There's not gonna be any racing this way, but I will be able to show you guys a lot of good video. Alright, turn around.
What?
Turn around.
Dad. Dad. Who's that person over there?
So right now is the front wheel drive shootout finals. It's going to be Ben versus Zach with the blue Mark III. I don't know if anyone's having issues or whatever, so we'll see who wins. Mark 1. I forgot to make a wrap-up video, but as you guys saw, Ben won the front-wheel drive shootout last night. I'm broken, and we're sticking around today. Looks like there might be some rain, but just watch out for the next video to see the results of all the national stuff. All right, see you guys in the next one.